Hi, girls! I'm so happy to be cornering you for an ambush interview.
Oh, thank you. It's a pleasure.
Feeling ko lumalaban talaga kayo ng dibdiba na along with the other favorites for the
Yes, of course.
Nafe-feel nyo ba yun?
Yes,
Definitely, di ba?
Oo naman, no.
It feels like
It's Miss Grand.
newbie is holding something powerful talaga. And we can
They
give
have
that.
to watch out for us. Wow.
At sa tingin nyo, kailangan namin kayong, yun nga, sabi mo, what to watch out for.
Because we are grand and we have a golden heart.
And we have so much to offer.
Yes. Yes.
Naka-attend ako ng press con mo, di ba? Talagang laban na laban ka talaga. Talagang di nararamdaman ko yung gigil mo. Same thing with you nung screening.
Grabe.
Tapos taga Bicol ka pa. So talagang, alam mo naman ng mga taga Bicol girls.
Parang every month merong pageant sa amin. So
Totoo.
iba talaga yung training ground sa Bicol.
Kasi you're considered fresh faces or newbies. Bakit nyo pinili talaga yung Miss Grand? I know you answered this already before, pero bakit, anong nakikita nyo sa Miss Grand na talagang ito yung kinuha nyong maging first ever pageant, national pageant?
Well, me, I was motivated by Miss Samantha Bernardo, but I finally Samantha Bernardo. But I finally decided to be in Miss Grand because of Miss CJ Opiesa. Like, just like them, I've gone through so much in a beauty pageant, and it feels like I can redeem myself in Miss Grand Philippines. And this is my grand dream to be here, and finally, I am making it right now.
Oh, that's nice. Have you met Samantha?
Never. I really want to meet her. Like, yeah, she was the one who motivated me to do pageants. Like, I was very young before. I don't know if I would love to pursue pageant or not. But because of her, my visions become clearer, and now I am here.
Anong nakita mo kay Samantha? Pasarela niya, beauty niya.
It's the story of Miss Samantha Bernardo. Like, the perseverance is very strong. She was very motivated, and hindi nahinayaan na yung mga failures to become a hindrance for her to be successful. Grabe yung story. It tells a lot to every beauty queens.
Oo, ang dami rin niyang pinagdaanan. Third time niyang sumali bago niya nakuha. Or second time. Or third time, 2018, 2019, runner-up ulit in 2020.
Naalala ko yung sinabi niya sa PBB that I push myself to be here. Parang ako, I am a self-made, no backups at all, pero pinush ko talaga just to be here. Because this is my dream, di ba? And tayo
Yes,
din yung
yes.
gagawa ng dreams natin.
Totoo. We're gonna write our stories here.
That's very nice. For sure, Samantha would be so happy to hear na you really like her.
Thank you so much. You?
What about
Ako naman, narinig mo na to, Sir Adam, no? I'm both feminine and masculine. So, Miss Grand is open for every women na merong ganong side. So, pwede ka makipagpuksaan, pwede mong ilabas yung sarili mo, kung ano yung mga aspects na hindi mo pwedeng ilabas with other pageants. No hate with other pageants, but Miss Grand is Miss Grand. It's very grand talaga. Talagang baklaan, not totally baklaan na in a negative way, it's in a positive way kasi malalabas mo kung sino ka talaga. And I really love it. Thank you to ALV, no, and Miss Grand Philippines and Miss Grand International.
And it's the one and only pageant.
Yes, it's the one and only pageant. So, yeah.
So I assume you really have a very engaging and fun personality.
Thank you so much. That's why I'm a content creator.
Oo nga, ano klase? So masaya ka dito kasi siguro everyday is a content day for you.
Yes, it's really fun kasi ako nag-aayos sa sarili ko. Right now, I already did my own makeup, hair and makeup, no? So, masaya talaga siya. And nalalabas ko kung ano yung side ko na talagang kembot kung kembot pag sasayaw and pag pinakanta ka, kakanta ka talaga. Ano mo yun, yung mga interesting parts ng pagiging babae, dito mo malalabas sa Miss Grand. That's why I really love it.
So para ka rin parang ino-offer or nilalako nyo rin yung sarili nyo not just as a contestant but also as an entertainer kasi sabi nyo kumakanta.
Yes, that's another perspective ng Miss Grand yun ngayon. Entertainment, no? It's not just the 4Bs, but now meron ng entertainment. So, kailangan meron ka talagang mapapakita sa mga tao.
And sa Miss Grand, na-discover ko na I can dance well and I can sing. Dito lang yon, dito ko lang siya na-discover kasi you can never be a grand queen if you don't know how to dance. So talagang
Totoo.
tinuturuan nila kami. Siguro puspusan, 2 months na kaming nagda-dance workshop. As in lahat ng babae natututo. Walang uuwi ng hindi dancer. Yun.
Totoo talaga.
Ay, dalawang kahit dalawang kaliwa yung paa mo, matututo ka.
Yes. Ang tatanggalin nila yung another kaliwa, papalitan nila ng kanan. Hindi ka uuwi na parehas kaliwa ang paa mo, Sir
Ito
Adam.
pa, i-ano ko na siya, i-share ko na, watch out for the production number of Miss Grand Philippines.
Yes.
Sabay na.
Kabog, yes. Super. So, as in, super, first time ko makakita ng production number na parang nagpe-perform sa ASAP.
Totoo. It's not gonna be a pa-sweet girl production
Ganun
number.
siya, Butch.
It's gonna be a grand, bakbakan na production
Baklaan.
number. Totoo.
Concert level.
Yes,
Sample, Sir Adam. Joke
Exclusive.
lang. Hintayin nyo na lang sa coronation night.
But you know what? Now that I'm having fun talking to you, at this point ba, as a newbie, nafe-feel nyo ba yung pressure? Or parang inaano nyo lang, ini-enjoy nyo lang like what you said?
Ako kasi, yung mantra ko is, sabi ko nga, during first presentation, I cannot control who I'll be competing with, but I can control my capacity. And sabi ko lagi sa sarili ko is that mas nakaka-pressure para sa mga pageant veterans kaysa sa mga newbies. So parang ini-enjoy namin. Like pag nanalo kami dito, wow, mabibigay yung mga tao sa kabaklaan. Pero pag medyo wala kami masyadong nagawa, is okay lang yun. Dahil wala yung spotlight sa amin. So parang the pressure is on sa mga pageant veterans. And while us, nag-enjoy lang kami, pero lumalaban.
Totoo. Ako, very happy ako kasi dati napapanood ko lang si Ate Emma and now I'm competing with her. Pero hindi ko na-feel na I'm competing eh. It's more of na masaya ako kasi nare-rediscover ko yung self ko. So it's more on self-growth talaga, this journey. It's really pleasing and love na love ko tong journey na to. Talagang sasama ko to hanggang magkaanak na. Wow! Magkaanak agad!
Fast forward na.
Oo, pero yun nga, ito yung siya, parang biggest takeaway ko dito sa Miss Grand
It
siguro.
builds friendship.
Yes,
like
friendship.
us, sino mag-aakala na si Bicol Region tapos si Rizal magiging magkaibigan?
Yeah.
Like we're friends, not just on stage, not just on cam, but also off stage and off cam. We're friends. We're
Oo,
good
that's
friends.
another thing kasi si Anita, friend ko na din siya before this Miss Grand. So, marami ako din kilala dito na candidate. So, nung nagko-compete na kami, it's different pala. It's not like work, no? Pagka pageant talaga, you have to work on yourself.
So walang mga nagnanakawan, nagsasaboteha.
Ay, wala.
Dami.
Wala naman. Wala namang ganun, Sir
Like,
Adam.
parang magkakakilala na before. Like ako, isi-share ko lang, si Ate Emma talaga, kasi before hindi niya plan mag-Miss Grand, na-train niya pa ako para sa mga guesting sa TV for Miss Grand. So sabi ko nga, bago pa man kami papunta sa competition, meron na kaming na-build na friendship talaga.
Totoo. Walang nag-aagawan, Sir Adam.
Pero
Nagbibigayan
sa pagkain,
pero nagbibigayan, meron.
meron kami nagdadala ng
Alam mo,
pagkain.
nakakatuwa naman kayo kasi considering na isang buwan pa, halos isang buwan pa itatakbo ng pageant nyo. Normally, dapat parang ngarag-ngarag na kayo, pagod-paguran na kayo.
Ay.
Pero parang ang saya nyo.
That's the thing.
You're relishing each day of the...
Yes, Sir Adam, that's the thing kapag ina-enjoy mo ang pageant. It's a competition, but you have to enjoy.
Siguro kaya tinawag siyang grand kasi hindi siya yung competition na sobrang nakaka-pressure. Siya yung competition na mai-enjoy mo. Totoo yung baklaan sa
Oo,
TikTok, sa rehearsal,
yes.
sa pagkain, di ba?
Oo, totoo.
At sa mga chika-chika.
Oo.
That's so nice. So sige, before I let you go, can you give a huge shout out to all your followers and fans rooting for you to win Miss Grand Philippines this year?
Hello everyone! Thank you for supporting me, lalo na sa Rizal Province. To my family, thank you so much. No, naintindihan nyo na busy ako. I'm a breadwinner po kasi, Sir Adam. So, thank you so much talaga sa family ko. And also to my friends na nag-share lagi ng mga contents ko and everything na included ako on social media. Thank you so much, guys. Ang masasabi ko lang, guys, this is the grandest pasabog. Kaya abangan nyo yan. Lahat ng pagod natin, worth it hanggang coronation night.
Na ba? Ramdam ko talaga yung...
Well, for me naman, hello sa mga magagayod, as in sa mga orago na mga Bicolano dyan. We're finally here sa Miss Grand Philippines, and not just to all the Bicolanos, but also sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you so much. I promise to you that we didn't wait for 3 years para sa wala. This will be something grander, and we will have grander crowd on the big night. So thank you so much, everybody, and please do watch our coronation night on August 12 at MOA Arena.
Yes. But before that, we will be having our swimsuit competition. Excited na ba kayo doon? Kasi kami excited na.
Nako, mukhang kaabang-abang yan.
Yes.
Kailan gaganapin? May idea na kayo? Kailan at saan?
May idea na kami, pero hindi ko alam kung pwede na siya i-spill. Pero, hindi siya sa metro.
Ay, out of town.
Yeah, yes. Sama ba kayo?
Hindi ko alam kung invited.
Sure.
Sana.
Sure.
So for sure, baklaan yan.
Yes, yes.
Baklaan.
Yes, doon na namin ilalabas yung mga pinagpaguran naming pasarela training, routines.
Shout out to my passerella trainers. Ito na yon, babawi na tayo.
Oo, shoutout ako kay RJ Vidal. Hello, magkikita na naman tayo kasi wala kaming ganap sa mga susunod na araw sa makapagpasarela training tayo.
That's right. Sige guys, abangan ko yan. Maraming salamat again for engaging me on this very short ambush interview. God bless you guys and good luck.
Thank you so much, Sir Adam.
Have more fun.
The one and only.